man.
All right, guys. We got a CPGvo, and he's already blown shaving a haircut, so I'm gonna see if I can do it again.
Oh my god, shave a haircut for CP.
Yeah, that'd be incredible.
Because I know a CP engineer.
He's got a K.
I need to get that.
Nice.
Hey, turn toward me. When I get a truck, I'm getting that.
He had a horn on him.
Dude,
nice.
Okay, I'm getting a Ford. I'm getting a K5HL.
That's it. I'm getting the Ford, and I'm putting on a really good horn. It ain't a quiet. I did that in the quiet.
Hit the truck.
Dude.
That was epic. He scared the living Christ out of me.
Yeah, he nearly made me piss myself.
No, if he comes back around again, I hope he does.
Shaving a haircut.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I'm watching him for over the crossing. But the train's more important. There he is! He's crossing the tracks again!
Oh, there he is.
He's crossing the tracks! Hey guys, we gotta launch for him.
Epic horn on this thing.
Same with the truck. Because I'm watching for him. I'm watching for him. I'm filming the train too.
Yes, let's see. Might give us a shake. Already did it once. Let's see. Let's do it again.
Watching.
Come on, start blowing horn for Israel fans.
Dear Shafley.
Here's for the crossing sequence.
He almost did a shave.
I don't think he's coming back.
Oh, yeah.
Shave.
Is that a shave?
No.
He's here again! Guys, the truck's back!
I'm still going. He's listening to me. Aha!
Do your shave thing. Do your shave thing. Do your shave thing. Do your shave thing, Albert.
Can you chill out? Haha! They're shaving a haircut!
I shaved my haircut from CP. I am so happy right now.
Epic horn show.
Hey, it's all worked out. You're going home with Elric?
Incredible.
You have money.
I have money.
Peace!